Death 68!
Holy shit! Dude!
Stop! Stop! You're gonna ruin it! You're gonna ruin it! I made him stop! Rare, what's your Facebook?
Oh my god, stop, just dude, stop. Just don't even try.
Oh my god, no. That guy doesn't listen to me at all.
No one likes you, Victoria.
Because I was like,
No,
come with
Victoria,
me,
don't
and he
do
was
it.
like,
Do it, Victoria.
do what?
Victoria, you sound sexy!
That voice is funny.
Hey, look! Did I tell you to write your name on your cup? None of them have names on them. I don't like writing on my cup. That's why I told you to write on your cup.
Yeah, we should take care of our cups, but like, it's only a cup, Louis.
I want to share drinks. I'll never get a drink.
No, don't be like that. Pick them up.
I'm not picking anything up.
No, pick them up. No, don't be like that. Go back and pick them
freaking
up.
say, you don't want to get me angry, do you?
No.
What are you doing? Can you have this? Can you have this? Don't look if I can have it. It's Where'd it go? No, where'd it go? It bounced off your head. I found it over there. Victoria, I know Valentine's Day is a day late, but will you still be my Valentine?
Sure.
Yeah, boy! Can you give me my,
Oh,
are you
that
gonna be my
creepy ass
girlfriend
laugh.
now? You like the silent treatment, huh?
No, come on, Louis. I didn't do anything. What did I do wrong? Is this about the cops?
No, you walked down me when I was blocking you from the ladder!
Oh, come on, Louis. Stop fooling around. Let me... Oh, I can go through this way, thanks.
Pretend we just started holding you around. Search or destroy. Protect the objective. Okay, follow me.
Alrighty.
I had dinner here once. With an ungrateful skank. Look at how she got killed that night though. She died right here. Okay, if you want to be on YouTube, say this. Louis Caliber, you're the best.
What?
If you want to be on YouTube, you have to say, Louis Caliber, you're the best.
Louis Caliber can suck my dick.
That's not what I said. You're not going to be on YouTube now. Bye. Hold on, check this out. Watch. No, stay there. Go back. Stay there. Watch.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Louis Caliber.
Hey guys, it's Dai here. If you liked the video, leave a like. Let me know what you think of the video. And as always, I hope you enjoyed.